you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in for another video. So today what I'm going to be doing is showing you guys how I wash my hair in the shower, and I'm also going to be showing you guys a quick and easy hairstyle. As you can see with my face, my hair needs some TLC. It has been back in this low bun for quite some time now, and it's just like hard and crusty from the gel, so we're going to fix that today. As you can see, I'm showing you guys what my hair is looking like. Very, very bad. So what I'm going to be using is my Oldie But Goodies Aussie Moist products, the shampoo and conditioner. As you can see here, I'm going in and I am rinsing my hair off, getting it ready for the shampooing process, for the shampoo and conditioner process. And as I'm doing this, I can feel like all that gel and everything just like melting off of my hair. It feels kind of nice. But yeah, go ahead and I'm going to wet my hair first, and then I'm going to go in with the shampoo. Alright you guys, so let's go ahead and get this process started. First things first, going to go in with the shampoo to cleanse my hair. I love this stuff. If you guys don't know already, I use all the Aussie Moist products. I think that's the only thing I use to wash my hair. So yeah, I love this stuff, you guys. And what I'm going to do is go in and lather. I'm going to go in and shampoo my hair with this. It does have a great lather to it. I don't know if I mentioned this in another video, but I do know I use this product in another video. But yeah, it does have a very good lather. It makes my hair feel very moisturized. What I'm going to do is go in, cleanse my scalp, and I do take this shampoo and I take it down the length of my hair because, like I said, it is very moisturizing. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, show you guys that. And I do believe that I wash my hair twice. And we're going to go from there, you guys. So I'll come back when we get on to the next steps. Alright you guys, so it's time for the deep conditioning process. I'm going to use the same deep conditioner that's in the same line. Love this stuff as well. I'm going to link all the products down below that I do use so you can see I do love it. So I'm going to go in with a decent amount of that. I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my hair. I'm going to apply a generous amount just so until I feel like my hair is fully coated with the product. And then after I finish applying the product to my hair, I'm going to go ahead and wait for about 10 minutes, maybe longer. I'm not sure. As you can see, yeah, I'm not sure how long I'm going to wait for, but I'll come back when I am ready to rinse it out. Alright, you guys, so here I'm just giving you guys a view of what my hair is looking like after letting the deep conditioner sit in my hair. I'm actually liking the results. My curls are looking very juicy, you guys. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and rinse my hair out. I'm going to rinse the deep conditioner out. And after that, you'll see. I'm not going to go ahead and tell y'all what I'm going to do next because it hasn't actually come up on the screen yet. But we're going to get there. So right now, I'm just rinsing my hair out. And we're going to go from there. So I'll be back to talk to you guys when I'm done with this. I don't know where I just went. Oh, here I am. Found myself. I'm so corny. Anyways, I'm going in with this Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Cream. I don't know what I'm doing here. Don't mind me. I'm in shambles right now, but I'm going to go ahead and use this. Ever since I've started using this product again, have not been able to put it down. I love this product so much. And what I'm doing is I'm going in and I'm applying it to my hair while I'm still in the shower, just to make sure that no strand of hair gets untouched with moisture, you know what I'm saying? So I'm doing that. And as you can see, I don't know if I mentioned this, but I do have a new hair color, you guys. If you haven't noticed that, I dyed my hair burgundy a couple weeks ago, and I'm actually liking this new hair color. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below. Let me know if you like it or not. I don't know if you guys noticed it, but yeah, dyed my hair, you guys. So yeah, that was just a little FYI, a little side note in there. But I'm going in with this conditioner, and I'll come back when we're ready to start the next step, so y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, so a little change of scenery here. I'm actually still in my bathroom, but I'm about to start the styling process of my hair. Didn't really feel like doing a wash and go today, so what we're going to do today is just a sleek low bun. Nothing too, serious, just something very simple. So I'm going to go in and wet my hair a little bit with this water bottle. Sorry if you guys can't see what I'm doing the whole time. This kind of bad angle. I don't know why I decided to do it this way, but yeah. I just went on ahead, started with the water bottle, and then I'm just working that water into my hair. And then what do I do next? Hold on. Oh, I'm showing you guys. Sorry, I'm showing you guys that I'm gonna be using a Wetline Extreme Gel to do this style, because this gel is just the only gel that keeps my hair laid down for the longest time ever. Like, my hair doesn't move all day for a couple of days if I keep laying it down. So love using this gel. Gonna go in with this comb, and I'm gonna use this to go ahead and do a side parts. I don't know if I think I did try to do a little curve, but by the end of the styling process the curve was pretty much gone. So whatever, the part's still straight, so I'm just going in and parting my hair out, as you guys can see. Alright you guys, so now that we have that side part down packed, I'm going to go in and detangle my hair lightly, because I want the style just to be as smooth as it can be, as sleek as it can be. If you detangle your hairstyles come out a lot better. If you don't, your hairstyles, don't come out as good as they could have been. So highly recommend that, especially because we're doing a sleek bun. We want it to be detangled from the roots all the way to the ends, you guys. Roots to the ends, so that it can, there's no reason why, the style doesn't come out great, So I don't know why it looks like I'm being rough with my hair, but I promise you I'm not being rough. I'm being very gentle. I don't know why it's coming off that way, but yeah, I'm going in, detangling my hair, and then after that, we're gonna go ahead and get this sleek bun on, on and popping, you guys. So y'all stay tuned for that. Alright you guys, so I'm done detangling my hair, and here I'm going in and I'm separating my hair off just so it makes the process a little easier. So I section off the side where the least amount of my hair is going to be off. I separated that side, and then we're going to work on the side with the most hair, because that side is going to be the hardest because it does have the most hair over there. So first things first, I'm going in to make sure my hair is fully detangled once more, and then what I'm going to do is just going with the gel. I don't know what I'm doing here. I think I'm figuring out what kind of style I want to do, because at first I was going to do like a little braided style or a twisted style back into two like buns, but I think I decided just to go in and do a sleek ponytail, sleek puff. And so that's what I'm doing here. And as you can see, I'm separating my hair off, and I'm applying the gel to my hair just so that it is fully distributed, so that my hair does indeed lay flat to my head. So I'm doing that, and I'm going to show you my brush in a minute that I'm going to use. But here I'm going in with the wet line. I'm separating my hair off. I think I did about 3 or 4 sections on this side, and I just applied the wet line just directly to my hair. And I did turn around just so you guys can see a little better. I don't know if you guys remember from one of my previous videos, I do have mirrors on both sides, so I can look on both sides. I just want to give you guys a nicer view, of what I'm doing, so you guys can actually see. Even though this isn't really a tutorial, but I am kind of explaining what I am doing, so I guess you kind of can say it's a tutorial, but it's not meant to be a tutorial. I'm just showing you guys how I'm going to style my hair for the day. So I'm just going in, applying more gel. I apply a lot of gel to my hair just because I want it to lay down. And here's the brush that I'm actually going to be using. I'm actually going to use a harder bristled brush. In the end, you're going to see that brush. But here I'm just going in and brushing my hair down. As you can see, it's laying very, very flat. This is what I wanted. And this is why it's important that, especially if you have thicker hair, or if you have the same amount of thickness of hair that I have, that you separate your hair just so you can get the product fully distributed, so that your hair can lay flat like it is laying. So just a little tip for you guys, just for people who don't really have success with doing sleek low buns or puffs or whatever. That's a good tip for you guys to use. So I'm going in, applying some more gel to the back of my head because that's important, you know. Don't want to neglect the back of your hair. And I'm smoothing that on out, and then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side of my hair. Alright, you guys, so here I'm pretty much just adding in some more just finishing touches to my hair before I go and mold it down. So what I'm doing is applying gel to, of course, just parts of my hair where I think it needs it, and I'm just going in with this brush and I'm just brushing it down and brushing it into that shape that I want it to be in. So I'm brushing it back because we are, you know, of course, doing a low bun. I'm going to brush my hair back just so it knows that, you know, it needs to go in that direction. So that's what I'm doing here, just making sure everything is laying flat, putting some more gel in my nape area just to make sure that is, you know, taken care of. And right here I'm going and I'm just pretty much just playing with my hair to make sure it's laying the way I want it to lay and everything, just going in and brushing it. Constantly you're going to see I brush my hair a lot in this portion just to make sure there are no lumps or anything in my hair, that everything is laying smooth the way I want it to lay. And yeah, as you can see, guys, we're getting things, you know, together. We're getting this hairstyle, you know, we're getting it down. So here I go in, I don't know what these little side curls are called, but I always like to do this in my style, especially like styles where I'm wearing my hair up or whatever. I go and pull these two side parts down just to, I feel like it gives my style a little more, you know, personality, a little more character and, you know, pizzazz. So I always like to do this to my hairstyles just because I like it. It's just a personal preference of mine. And then here I'm going in with this harder bristled brush that I told you guys about earlier, just to make sure everything is really laying smooth, because, you know, they don't call this a sleek low puff. It's a low bun for nothing, you know. You gotta, you know, carry out that sleekness. So I'm going in and brushing it, and this just ensures that my hair, you know, every strand is brushed and is laying the way I want it to lay. So I don't know how many times I'm going to say that, but it's all about make sure every strand, you know, is laying the way that you want it to lay. And then here I'm going in with my little hair tie, and I'm going to go ahead and just go ahead and tie my hair up finally. After all that, you know, brushing and hard work, you would think that my arms would have fell off by now, but I'm surprised that they haven't. So I actually realized that I tied it around too many times to do a bun, so I had to go and unravel it. And that's what I'm doing here. I unraveled it once just so I can go ahead and put my hair in that bun that I was telling you guys about. So here's the bun. Nothing, you know, too major, just something, you know, simple. I'm going in with my toothbrush, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and, so for that side that I'm putting that Wetline gel. So that's what I'm doing. And what I wanted is, I realized I don't want the hair to kind of lay like I don't know what you call it, but like a swoop down on your forehead. That's what I wanted my hair to lay, but I didn't like how the toothbrush were doing it, so I went in with the brush because the toothbrush was leaving too many gaps. So I went in with the brush and I laid it down. I actually like how the brush made my hair look. So that's what I did on that side. And on the other side of my hair, I'm going to go ahead and that's what that side looks like. I'm going to share it with you guys. So I actually like that. And on the other side, I'm going in with the Wetline Extreme Gel, and I'm going to go in with my toothbrush and just to lay my edges a little bit. You know, nothing too major, nothing too drastic. If you guys want to, you know, edges tutorial, I can go ahead and give you guys that. If you like how I actually did my edges, I pretty much just do swoops. I mean, it's nothing too difficult, I would say. It's just something simple, but it does give your style, you know, some pizzazz. So I'm going and doing that. And after that, I'm not sure what I did after that, but y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. So I'm actually going to show you guys what my edges actually ended up looking like. Pretty nice, pretty nice. And then here I'm going in with my silk scarf just to make sure everything, you know, I'm going to leave that on for a little while just to make sure everything is set. And when I take it off, my hair won't go anywhere. So going in with that, going to tie my hair down. And I don't know how long I'm going to leave it on for. Probably I won't take it off because I'm not going anywhere today. So probably going to leave that on until I decide to go somewhere. So. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much the end of this video. I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like when I take the scarf off. I actually did. I don't know why I just lied to y'all. I actually did take the scarf off just to show you guys what it looked like, but I did put it back on because, of course, I didn't go anywhere. So there was no point in doing that. So yeah, guys, this is the final results. Hopefully you guys like this video. I'll give you guys a quick 360 of what my hair looks like. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. If you want to see more of me, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I love you all. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.